Now I show you the practical difference of without using trackby and using trackby. So first I delete this. So if I go to the browser and after this, so we see that all it is available. So if I want to inspect it and if I go to the console, sorry, we go to the element and then under it is head, it is body. So under body, under app root. So here we write the HTML code table under table. So we see this table under table we write the our here all is row is available to us. So if I want to click this button, add one extra book, so you see in this. So when we click add one extra book, you see that this value is reloaded, means the whole value is removed and it is added again. So if I want to refresh again and again I saw it once again I add one extra book, click this, so you see this whole book is removed and then it is again initialized with 5. Now with using trackby what happened, so I use trackby. So use trackby and I track by book list id, so hit find if any extra id is available here. So in the case of book list what happened, this 4 book is available and when we call the get book list, it is here 5 value is added and this 4 book is repeated again. So track by find if any extra id is available. So here this 1 2 3 4 is repeated, so track by find that id 5 is not present in the book list, so it added this book in the book list when we call the get book list function. So that's its index number and book list any. So I don't use the index, so it so that this hidden. So and it return the book list id, the unique or extra id that is available in the get book list. So if I go to the browser and if I want to refresh it again and I show it here table. So when we call this, when we click this button or add one extra book, you see here press it and add one extra book, so it still again replace the value and again add it. So there is something error. So I see check it what happened here. Let item of book list, let I is equal to index track by book list, track by book list id, track by. Okay. Here what happened, I write is the smoke lowercase letter b. It always in capital B. We can also ignore it because I don't write any kind of index here. So we can ignore this. We have to use the capital B here, not lowercase. Always uppercase B. So if I again go to the browser and again refresh the browser and again check it. So if I add one extra book, we see that only this value is added. If I again refresh and again add one extra book, and you see that there only one extra value will be added. So add one extra book, we see that only this unique value is added, not whole value is again replace, only the unique value is added. So this is how we can use track by to added the extra value, not the whole value. So we see how we can use track by using ngfor in Angular.